Whenever Litwick's arcade closes, the various video game characters leave their in-game roles and socialize via a power strip they call Game Central Station. Wreck-It Ralph, the main antagonist of Fix-It Felix, Jr., visits a villain support group called Batanon and expresses frustration with his assigned role. When Ralph is excluded from the game's 30th anniversary party, he determines to win a medal and earn respect. Upon overhearing that one can earn medals in the first-person shooter Hero's Duty, Ralph sneaks in and steals one while the characters fight insectoid monsters known as cybugs. Ralph accidentally launches himself in an escape shuttle with a cybug inside and crash lands in the candy-themed kart racing game Sugar Rush. With Ralph gone, his game is labeled out of order. Felix leaves the game to find Ralph, allying with Sergeant Calhoun, the heroine of Hero's Duty, as she tracks the cybug, which may become a virus. In Sugar Rush, Vanellope Von Schweetz steals Ralph's medal and uses it to buy her way into the nightly race that determines which characters will be playable the next day. King Candy forbids her to race, as she has a glitch that causes her to move and teleport erratically. Vanellope promises to get the medal back if Ralph helps her win. He helps her build a new cart and teaches her to drive inside Diet Cola Mountain. Calhoun and Felix arrive in Sugar Rush, where they fall into Nesquik sand, work together to escape, and begin to fall in love. Meanwhile, King Candy hacks into Sugar Rush's source code and retrieves the medal, giving it back to Ralph. He claims that if Vanellope becomes a playable character, her glitching may lead to the game being unplugged. Ralph decides he cannot allow Vanellope to race and destroys her cart. Calhoun abandons Felix when he inadvertently reminds her of her late fiancé who was killed by a cybug on their wedding day. Felix is imprisoned by King Candy's assistant, Sour Bill, while Calhoun discovers that the cybug has multiplied exponentially. Ralph sadly returns to Fix-It Felix, Jr. and finds it abandoned. He notices that the Sugar Rush cabinet displays Vanellope as a playable character. Returning to Sugar Rush, Ralph interrogates Sour Bill, who admits that King Candy disconnected Vanellope's code and locked away the memories of the game's characters so that no one knows her actual role. He explains that if Vanellope completes a race, all of King Candy's changes will be deleted and the game restored to normal, meaning Vanellope won't be a glitch anymore. Ralph frees Felix from King Candy's prison, fixes the cart, and reconciles with Vanellope, who enters in the race. The cybugs emerge and start destroying the game. Calhoun, Felix, and Ralph help evacuate the characters. Unaware of this development, King Candy attempts to ram Vanellope off the track, causing them both to glitch. Their glitching inadvertently reveals King Candy to be Turbo, a video game character who secretly took over Sugar Rush after he accidentally got his own racing game, Turbo Time, unplugged 30 years before. Vanellope flees as Turbo is eaten by a cybug. which fuses with him into an insectoid monster. Everyone but Vanellope evacuates, as glitches cannot leave their games. Remembering from Hero's Duty that a beacon will draw and destroy the Cybugs, Ralph battles Turbo and collapses the Mentos roof of Diet Cola Mountain, creating a glowing eruption which lures and destroys Turbo and the Cybugs. Vanellope rescues Ralph and crosses the finish line. The game resets, revealing her as the true ruler of Sugar Rush, though she keeps her glitching ability, considering it an advantage. Ralph returns to his game, content with his role as villain and respected by his fellow characters. Felix and Calhoun marry, and Ralph watches Vanellope become Sugar Rush's favorite character.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. Till the next one, bye.